Okay, here we can see our touch screen, and on the left side you can see the time date, and on the right side we can see some function icon. For example, the electric lock, the LED light, the mute alarm button, and the user function. If you press this one, we can use the user account to log in. Our initial user account is user 001, and the password is 123456, and then login. Yes, when the first time you get into the user 001, and you need to reset the password. Yes, because 123456 is so easy. For example, I changed the password to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and change password. Okay, now I have get into the user account. Okay, let's see one by one. On the center of the display, the touch screen, we can see the real-time temperature here, and when you press the temperature, we can see the status of the refrigerator. For example, the fan, and the internal temperature, the ambient temperature, and condensing temperature, door switch, anything else, to confirm if the refrigerator works normally. And on the left side, we can see the ambient temperature and the setting temperature. We can see. And then let's see the function. The first one, the access manager. For example, we want to take out some storage. First, we need to add the type. Here, the type setting, and we need to add. For example, the type name is blood, BLOOD, and confirm. Yes, and then we need to storage. Storage 5 bags of blood. Yes, and then inside the chamber there are 5 bags of blood. Now, for example, I want to take out 3 bags of blood, so then I can 1 2 3, and then press the tick. Yes, so the total has been 2 bags of blood. Yes, and then we can see the historical records on this page, and to see how many I have stored, and how many I have taken out, and at which time we have do the operation. Yes, this is the access manager. And the next one, the data review. Yes, we can see this page about the data review, temperature record. For example, at which time, and what the temperature is, and the ambient temperature, and then the condensing temperature. Yes, later I will show an example about this page, and also the operation records. For example, at which time who use the account to log in and log out, and also another operation, and the alarm code. Yes, it will show at which time and what alarm, and also the detail record. It will show when the alarm appears, and what is the temperature, the ambient temperature, and the other parts working normal or abnormal. Yes, when the refrigerator shows some problem, we can judge the root cause by this page. Yes. And the next one, the date cover. Yes, we can see the temperature, the date cover on this page. For example, if the temperature works normally, yeah. And the next is the settings. On this page, we can change the setting temperature, the alarm, and add users. For example, the temperature, we can change the setting temperature to 5. Yes. The suggested setting temperature is 5. It's not recommended to change the setting temperature. Yes. The 5 is the ideal setting temperature. Yes, it's a little bit snow. And next, the alarm, we can see the high temperature alarm. We can change it by this operation. For example, change it to 10. Yeah, and the low temperature alarm, for example, we can change it to 0. And the high ambient temperature alarm, we can change it to 40. Yes. And if I want to save it, just press confirm. And the next user function, here we can add the user account. For example, I want to add the user account user 004 and the name is Zoe. Yes, and the phone, yes, and save it. Yes, the another account has been created. And when you use this user account, the password is 123456, and when you log in, it will remind you to change the password. Yes. And the next one, and also you can edit. If you forget the password, you can reset the password to the initial password 123456. Yeah. And next, the system. Here we can change the brightness of the touch screen. Yes, dark or lighter. And other parameters, for example, back to the home page. And the sound, the volume. Yes. And the alarm sound, heavy. Yes, you can change it. And the date and the auto logout time. Yes, for example, if you have no operation after 10 minutes, it will auto logout. And the language, yes, we can change it. And the network, yes, I'm sorry, and for this function now it has not been used. Yes. And also the Bluetooth, we can connect the refrigerator with the Bluetooth printer. Yes. And other parameters, yes, on the others, and we can setting the initial password 123456 or others, and export file type Excel or PDF. And the printer, and canceling the alarm, the silence time for about 30 minutes or 8 hours, and the address of the slave 485. Yes, all these are the functions of the touch screen on the refrigerator. Yes, that's all.